make t the subject of s is equal to 60 brackets r minus t over t. The problem is in here that t occurs twice. So we've got s is equal to 60 r minus t over t. In order to make this a bit simpler, if we multiply both sides by t, then the formula will come st is equal to 60r minus t. Next step, which makes it difficult, is this bracket, so we'll expand the bracket on the right hand side. That's what that means. So we've got st on this side, then we're going to have 60 times r, which is 60r, and then minus 60t. And then what we do is we collect all the t's on one side. So I'm going to add 60t to both sides. So this will become st plus 60t. This side will be 60r. We see there's a common factor here of t. So we will take it out, factorize left-hand side. So we're going to get t brackets s plus 60 is equal to 60r. And the final step will be to divide both sides by s plus 60, because this is multiplied here. So you're going to get t is 60r divided by s plus 60. Avoid the temptation of trying to simplify these two 60s. You cannot do that because this is a combined denominator of s plus 60, not 60. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to change the subject of a formula where the subject appears twice in the formula. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.